That baking smell, that was one of the first memories I've had of my mom. I remember her blueberry pie was something magical that I, to this day, can't replicate because it had this incredible flaky crust, and the blueberries were just thickened enough, but they weren't like cornstarchy. And I remember eating almost the entire pie myself. I probably was 5 or 6. I have the recipe, but it was never a correct recipe. And I've come pretty close to it, but it's just always, this is gonna go up against my mother's blueberry pie, and I can tell by looking at it, no way, no way. As a chef, you're like, okay, I know what makes flaky crust, and then you know what makes blueberries go together. So my technical brain takes over, and I now understand why it was so good, but I still haven't had one as good. Probably 10 or 20% of it was the specialness of your mom cooking something for you. How could it not be the best? I'm sure I'm giving it maybe extra credence, but I'm okay with that.